There's nothing worse than finding the perfect ring, only to realize it fits about as well as a bear hug from Bigfoot. Let's talk about how to get the right size the first time. A ring should fit like your favorite pair of boots, not so tight that you regret your life choices, and not so loose that they fall off when you're running from a bear. Or what you thought was a bear. Now, I know some of you are probably thinking, can't I just wrap some fishing line around my finger and call it good? No. And not all jewelers size the same way, so it's important to use a Rustic and Main custom ring sizing set for the best results. Trust me, it's worth it. Now remember, your fingers change size throughout the day. Cold makes them shrink and heat makes them swell. So try sizing in the afternoon for the best results. So there you have it. Get sized right, get the ring of your dreams, and never lose it while skipping rocks again. Check out Rustic and Main for ring sizers and handcrafted rings made to last a lifetime.